Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and on today's 2-minute tip, I'm going to show you how to make your house smell like fall no matter what time of year it is. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need for this are very simple. Lemon peel, apple slices, orange peel, and ground cinnamon. This is great if you want to have a scent of fall in your house. So if you're getting ready to sell your home or you just are about to have company over, this will do the trick. Take the peels from the lemons, the oranges, and some apple slices and put it into the bottom of your pot. You're going to want to cover it in water, just enough to go over the top of the fruit. And then you're going to take a couple sprigs of cinnamon. You can do the sticks or you can just do some shakes from your ground cinnamon. You let it sit over this warm heat, and in about 20 minutes you'll start smelling the fall smells. I wish you guys could be here to smell this. It smells amazing. As an added bonus, whenever you're done using this for the aroma effects, you can actually take a tea bag, put it into a cup. I've got my cute Everyday Mama cup here that an awesome subscriber gave me. Thanks, Renee. You can scoop a ladleful, pour it in. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Add a tiny bit of honey. You do not need very much. Get yourself a spoon. And I'm telling you, let that steep for a few minutes. And this right here is just a cozy cup of fall. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.